We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings. Our topic says, learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings. Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, bupu. Class say it. Bupu. Wepu. It means carry away or take away. When you say bupu, we means heavy something, heavy object. Bupu. But when you say wepu, it means light object. Something that is light, you say wepu. But bupu and the wepu, they just means take away or carry away. This is our main verb, bupu. We are going to put either suffix or prefix to this bupu in order to change the verb to vary from the initial word, bupu. For example, we have ibupu. Class say it. Ibupu. Ibupu means to carry away. Have you now seen the verb variations working here? We put prefix. Ya bụ mgbakwunye nganihu. We put prefix I. This vowel I. We put it before bupu. It changes it from bupu to ibupu. Number B, we have bupuru. Or say that, class. Bupuru. You can see that here we add a prefix I. That is what we mean by verb variations. Number B, we have bupuru. Bupuru. We put ru. Riu. 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 Ru. We put it as a suffix to bupu. It changes it to bupuru. Bupuru means carried away. Remember, bupuru means past tense of bupu. Bupu means carry. Why bupuru means carried away? Bupu sia. We put sia here. Sia here. C-E-A. C-E-A. Sia. We have bupusia. We put this suffix mgbakwunye nsonaazụ to bupu to change it to bupusia. Bupusia means carry away totally. Class say it. Bupusia meaning carry away totally. To carry all of them. Don't spare anyone. Carry all of them. Carry them away. That is bupusia, all of them. Maybe you are eating food, then you have finished eating. Then I will tell you, please, carry all these things away. Bupusia ha niile. Number D here. Our prefix here is ga-e. When you hear ga, you know that it is future tense. It is a verb that shows future tense. Ihe ga-eme mgbe n'ihu. So we put ga-e to bupu. Let us see how to pronounce it. Ga-ebupu. Ga-ebupu means we carry away. When you put a prefix or a suffix, it will change the verb to another meaning. That is what we mean by verb variations. It varies. It changes. Number A. See our prefix here. Na e. Na ebupu. When you hear na e, or na a, it means continuous tense. Ọ na-aga ahịa. Ọ na-eri nri. That is na e, na a. When you see the person is still performing the action. Present continuous tense. We use na e or na a. Ọ na-eri nri. Ọ na-aga ahịa. it is a continuous action in present tense. So let us pronounce it together. Na ebupu. Have you seen it? Is carrying away. When you see the person is carrying the object or the load. Ọ na-ebupu. We have gaa bupu or say gaa bupu. You can see that gaa is a command. Gaa, you have double A. Ga means one A. But when you say ga, when you give command, you write double A. Ga. Ga here is our prefix. We put it before bupu to change the verb bupu. That is what we mean by verb variations. To change it. I'll say that, class. Ga bupu means go carry away. Ga bupu ngwongwo ahụ. Go carry away all those loads. Ebupula. A negative statement. Ebupula. You can see here that we have both prefix and the suffix. We have mgbakwunye here, nsonihu. Mgbakwunye nsonihu, prefix. We have suffix, mgbakwunye nsonaazụ. Our prefix here is a. Our suffix here is la, ala. It becomes ebupula. Say it. Ebupula. Meaning, don't carry away. Ebupula, don't carry away. It is a command, but it is in the opposite direction, in the negative side. Ebupula. So, you can now see that from bupu, we have all these verb variations through adding prefix and the suffix. Site na itinye mgbakwunye nganihu ya na mgbakwunye nsonaazụ. You can equally do it with wepụ. Ewepụla. Wepụta. Iwepuela. So it's all the same thing. You can also put prefix and the suffix with wepụ to change the meaning. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more.